हाय, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? वेल, आई थॉट मैं जल्दी से ये एक लाइव करूंगी क्योंकि मैं 3 स्टॉक्स के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ। एक ने अपर सर्किट हिट किया है, द सेकेंड वन हैज़ द टू ऑफ देम, रेस्ट ऑफ द टू हैव हिट 52 वीक हाइज, and these are multi-cap stock, mid-cap stocks. And if I don't talk about them, one of them I spoke about in my those mid-cap top stocks. I have spoken about one, which is NCC, but I have not spoken about the other two, which are no, actually I've spoken about two: ITD cementation and NCC 2. So in my last 3 videos on the mid-cap stocks, mid-cap top stocks or whatever. The third one is Genus Power. Okay, now Genus Power has bagged a new order, because of which it has and just look at the Genus Power thing. It is today trading at 272. Okay, and this has hit upper circuit. It has bagged an order worth 2,247 crore rupees, and because of which it was already on a high. If you look at the chart, but it has hit upper circuit of 5% after it has bagged this smart meter order. Okay, so it's around 2,247 crore rupees, and they are into advanced metering infrastructure system and all that. They install and commission and all that. So this is one stock which I thought I'll talk about, and it has been on the radar for some time. If I look at, but you have to be careful, because it's quarter 1 was not that good. See, the ROE of the stock is 3.61%, and ROCE is around 6.13%. Okay, but if we look at the chart, it is just on a ride. It's on a upside ride since last September. Okay, so this stock is interesting. This is a momentum stock. If we compare it with the peers, then also it's not up there actually. Better than this is Keynes Technologies, Ember Enterprises, PG Electroplast, and Avalon Tech. Okay, so you can take a call. I just wanted to talk about it because you should know this is a multi-bagger stock, and this has been doing for some time now. In fact, ICICI Securities has recommended this long back. Okay, they recommended this when it was climbing. Okay, so this is one interesting stock. This is not a very big live. This is a very small live, because I was just thinking that I have not covered this one particular stock, and it has been actually on a rally. Promoter holding is around 50% in the company, and 41% is with the public. Okay, so you can have a look at this stock. You can think about it during the weekend. The food for thought for the weekend. Okay, the other one is of course NCC. I've spoken about it, and I've done a detailed thing on NCC. But this has also, it hit a fresh 52-week high. Also, it has received an order worth 8,398 crore rupees, and in last 1 year this has climbed up to 136%, and 6 months में ये कुछ 90% up. I did a long thing. In fact, in my last video, only last to last video, it is trading at 177 today. Actually, it was at 174 when I decided to make this video. Okay, so this has a beautiful chart. It has a hockey stick kind of a chart. Since last September, it has been climbing. They have reduced debt, and they have a good profit growth CAGR of 24% over the last 5 years. Okay, this I have done this. They have good ROC of around 19.50%. KNR Construction is the only company, and also Rail Vikas is ahead of it. But otherwise, this has a good standing. They had a good quarter 4 result also. The net profit has quarterly come down, but year on year, if you look at it, then their net profit has kind of gone up from 646 crore rupees to 693 crore rupees. Okay, shareholding pattern is around shareholding pattern is a concern, public has 43% and promoters have only 22% of shareholding in the stock. Okay, so this is NCC Limited. It is also one of the top climbers in the mid cap segment. The third stock is ITD Cementation. I have also covered this stock in my in the last videos of mid cap. I did a series of 1 2 3 videos, series 1 2 3 videos. I called it new series. So this has also hit a 52-week high after it has also bagged an order worth 3,290 crore rupees, and it is currently trading at 236 rupees per share. Okay, this is a small cap company. ROE of the stock is 10.5%. ROCE of the company is 19%. It has a decent ROCE. And if you look at the chart, it has a good, beautiful chart. This is also among the recommendations which I had given earlier, okay, in the series wala thing. If I compare it with the peers, then KNR Construction is ahead of it, and NCC, it is I spoke about it earlier before this, but otherwise this is also good stock. Quarterly results were also good, from 38 crore rupees to 52 crore rupees, and year on year also their profits have gone up from 125 crore rupees to 147 crore rupees. uh, Return on equity is 10% for the last year and 6% for last 3 years. Okay, so this is a good stock. ITD Cementation, I have covered this. So today it was up around 8%, and in fact even it has been doing well for some time. Today also it was up, I think 5% is zyada. Promoters holding is around 46.64% and 35% is with the, I'm not very high specs. Okay, 35% I can see. Okay, so 35% is with the public. Okay, so this also has a full chart, and so this is ITD Cementation, mid cap, good stocks. Okay, you can think about it, and this is also of course for informational purposes, but I have kind of seen them for some time. Power Grid is also up again today. Okay, so you can even look at Power Grid. Also Jupiter Wagons, it is also 3%. It was 3% up in the morning. 360 is the price it has today. I'll just quickly look at Jupiter Wagons. I just thought I'll just make a small uh, video on this, because I had missed actually Genus Power out of it. But otherwise, yes, I have covered the others one. This Jupiter Wagons is part of that railway stock frenzy story. It is also doing well. See, it had a good quarterly results, and if I see if I see year on year thing, then also it has done well. 361 is its current price today. It is up 5% up today. Actually, it was down a couple of days back. That was the time to buy it. ROC of the company is 24.4%. It also has a hockey stick kind of a chart, backed by good volumes, and these volumes returned. Uh, Actually, the stock has seen good volumes, but actually after May there has been a mad frenzy to buy this stock. Okay, it is likely to give a good quarter, and if I compare it with the peers, then also it is standing tall and firm with 24.35% ROCE, which is more than Bharat Dynamics, more than Titagarh Railways also, and Elecon Engineering also. Okay, so if I look at the quarterly results, as I said, they are good. From 41 crore rupees, profit has gone up to 61 crore rupees, and year on year again from 125 crore rupees to 176 crore rupees. Okay, so this is we know this is a good stock. So whenever you see a dip, you can buy this stock. For the last 3 years, 13% return on equity, and last year it has given 17% return on equity. Okay, so shareholding pattern, 72% is with the promoters and 25% is with the public. Okay, so this is also a very good stock. Okay, I just thought I'll quickly do this live before I get over this week. Okay, so these are some 3 4 stocks which I wanted to talk, because if you want to ride on this mid cap thing. But I was listening to Nilesh Shah in the morning of Kotak AMC. He was saying that, more than chasing the momentum, you should look at good stocks and stay invested in them. That is what I was telling yesterday in my yesterday live, that look at stocks, look at the fundamentals, and then invest. It is always better to invest in good stocks, and you can see this crazy chase going on, and let it pass, whatever. But otherwise there is no need. Actually, this is the wrong specs. That's why I was not wearing it. So it's better to be invested in good stocks rather than chasing a frenzy and then waiting for them to give you some profit. You buy them in frenzy, then they fall down, and then you again wait for them to the prices to go up. So it's better to watch out for good stocks. So these stocks which I spoke about, except Genus Power, I think is good. Genus Power is also good. I have nothing against it. You can ride the momentum if you want. So take your call and decide for yourself. So have a great weekend and have a great day, and keep investing, and stay positive about the India story, as I always say. Bye bye.